Today we are going to change a doorknob. This is the Kwikset, and here's the doorknob. You can buy it at Home Depot, and this one is about 10 bucks. The doorknob that we have now is key. I'm going to take the key out, and this one does not need a key. Simple parts. 1, 2, which you may not need. 3, plate for the door, and screws. 2 screws for this, 2 screws for that, and 2 for that. So all we need is a Phillip. These 2 screws come out, as well as these 2 screws. So it's pretty easy to unscrew them for now. What? Once you take all the screws out, the doorknob comes right off with just a little jiggle. 1 and 2. This pops off. Just do it a little jiggle, and this whole thing comes off. So the whole doorknob is off. Now to install the new one. The next step is to put this in the doorknob. Put that in, and make sure you have this part on the outside of the door, this flat part in the inside. Push this in. Make sure you push this in so it'll be much easier. It's like a puzzle. Fits right in. Then all you need is the other part. Now you're ready to put this in. Make sure that this is lined up. Half a C in a little spot. Half a C in a little spot. Line it up. It should go right in. Now look through the hole over here and line up those holes with this hole. And go ahead and put your screw in. Just like it's... Oh. So once you screw this in, give this a little leeway, make it a little loose. So you want to line up your other screw to the hole as well. And you screw this one in as well. Do I tighten these two? And screw these 2 in. Keep it a little loose so you have some room to screw these 2 in and make sure they all lined up. The rest is the 2 small screws. 2 long one goes here, the 2 small one goes here, and the other 2 small ones are for the wall. So these are very easy. Check to make sure that the doorknob is not tight. This is nice and loose, so now you can screw these snugly tight. Once you have it, the last step is easy. Now to take off the one on the wall with a Phillip. Remember, the plate is facing in. Now the screws come off, this plate comes off the door frame, and the new one goes on. Flush inside. Start it with your hand, and you can screw it back with the Phillips screwdriver. That should do it. So now we'll try the door from the inside. Nice and smooth on the outside. Going to the front. The last 2 pieces in the box are these 2. You don't need this. But this is the key in case you get locked out. This goes in there and opens it up.